In this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all your messages in a Discord DM. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to properly delete all of your messages that you have sent in a Discord server or a direct message channel, we need to use the Undiscord feed tool. So look for Undiscord on Google and download the software from GitHub by Victor and PB. As you can see here, this is a browser-based tool that needs some extensions to be used properly. On the GitHub page, they tell us which extensions to use depending on the browser we have. Choose whichever one of these browsers you use, and after you install both Undiscord and its extensions, or one of these extensions, you need to install Undiscord from the same page by clicking on one of these two links. As you can see now, all you have to do is go to the Discord website at discord.com and log into your account. Make sure you log into the website and not the app. Within the browser window, you should be able to see a trash can icon at the top right corner of the server or the DM. When you click that trash bin icon, you can click on the button of Authorization, Alter and Guild channel to delete all of your messages. Please be careful and use this at your own discretion. I hope I was able to help you on how to delete all your messages in a Discord DM. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.